Apple is about to copy Samsung's best and, in my opinion, the most underrated feature that they introduced on their Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship. And no, we're not talking about cameras or the AI features. This is about the display. You see, Samsung introduced something that is really groundbreaking, which is using a proper anti-reflective display for the S24 Ultra, which minimizes the reflections by about 75% compared to a normal traditional display. Because of this, Galaxy S24 Ultra's display is the best display on a phone right now, and it's the most comfortable to use, especially when using outdoor in bright environments. Which is why Apple is about to copy this feature. Yes, according to the news coming from China, Apple is looking to introduce a super hard anti-reflective layer on their display. The coating equipment has just been handed over to China's supply chain according to the leakster, but Apple actually failed to do this in time for the iPhone 16 release, which is why this feature is set to come on the iPhone 17 series in 2025, meaning iPhone 16 series will miss out on what is probably the best feature we have on the S24 Ultra. So yeah, it's a sad news, but nothing as sad as not having 120Hz on the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus. It's kind of crazy that Apple is able to do that once again in 2024. This is something that's pretty much confirmed to happen. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Now we have a massive news regarding the Apple A18 Pro chip that will be powering the iPhone 16 Pro models. According to the report, we're about to see the biggest neural engine jump that we have ever seen on an Apple A series chip in order to significantly improve the generative AI performance. We already know how iOS 18 is set to include a range of generative AI features for pretty much all of Apple's stock applications, as well as the AI features coming from third-party services like Google and OpenAI. So for the best AI performance, Apple is making sure that the A18 Pro chip is ready. Furthermore, the report mentions that we're going to see a 6-core GPU on the A18 Pro chip. In the last 2 years, Apple has lost the GPU crown to Qualcomm, so we'll see if they can bounce back with the A18 Pro chip. Now lastly, we're now starting to see some case leaks regarding the iPhone 16, the non-Pro versions, and looking at the camera bump design, you can see that it pretty much confirms that we are about to see a new vertical rear camera arrangement for the standard 16 and the 16 Plus. As for the Pro models, we've heard that Apple was experimenting with the new camera design for the 16 Pro and the Pro Max, and it might still happen, but according to the CAD leaks, it is still pretty much retaining the same kind of look as the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, which means there's a good chance that we might not see a significant camera bump design change. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.